Hi everyone, this is Sarah the Catholic Homemaker. Today I'm showing you how easy it is to make homemade sourdough breadcrumbs. First of all, welcome to my channel to everyone, and to all those who are new, if you would please subscribe to my channel, I would love that so we can continue to keep growing our community. And if you would hit that like button, share this video, comment below if you've made these before, and hit the notification bell for all notifications so you know when I post, which is every Monday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. That would really help people to see this video more and grow our community. Here I have some old bread crusts and just pieces of bread that were small or unwanted, and I just stuck them in a bag in the freezer. So I'm just going to put them right into the blender here. This is my Vitamix dry blender. That's things you want to make into flour, and breadcrumbs, just anything that's not liquid. Okay, so you just want to put it all in there and then just slowly increase it to a higher speed. Now I did this with frozen bread, and you could certainly do it another way by toasting the bread first. Now I have to kind of push it down so that the top part will blend. But this is an easier method, in my opinion, of just freezing the bread, and it's just gonna make it into breadcrumbs much easier than toasting it and adding another step to it. And this was made with my own sourdough homemade bread. I'm going to link to the series below so that you guys can see that. But sourdough bread is so much healthier than any other bread because it is pre-digested. The grains or the flour is pre-digested by the sourdough starter, and it just makes it so much easier to digest. Some sourdough bread in a lab has actually been acceptable for even celiacs to eat, but I don't recommend it for celiacs just because that's a very serious disease. So here it is, all ready to go. You saw just how easy that was. And I hope you guys have found this video to be helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you've made this before or just anything you want to share about sourdough or anything in general. I hope you all have a very good week, and may God bless you and your family.